Austin, I was gonna start with today is the day my life begins, but I quickly realized that my life began the day I met you. So now I'll start with today is the day that our life begins together. I can't promise that dark clouds won't hover over our lives, or that the future will bring us many rainbows. I can't promise that tomorrow will be perfect or that life will be easy. But what I can promise is my everlasting devotion, my loyalty, my respect, and unconditional love.
You and I as one will always be better than two. The leaves ain't waiting, their colors changing like the times. And I'm taking, darling, would you be mine? And I hope you know I will love you for the rest
Austin,
of my life.
you may kiss your bride.
Let's not waste time, oh, take this slow. You got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two.
I said to Austin, if God had come from heaven and said, you can pick the perfect man for your daughter, I could not have chosen better than she chose for herself.
Let's not waste time, oh, take this slow. We've got miles behind us, but miles to go. So let's just break this down to the simplest truth. You and I as one will always be better than two. Yeah, you and I as one will always be better than